Hello, I'm Shelby. I'm from 𝒄. I'm currently flying with Scoot. 𝒄 has helped me a lot. They actually boost my confidence and also my communication skills. Previously, my English is not that good, and I'm afraid of talking with other people because of my English. After I joined 𝒄, my English has improved, and also I'm more confident to speak with strangers. And I'm very proud to be in 𝒄. My favorite destination would be Japan, as Japan is a very clean and peaceful country, and also the people there are very polite. So when I travel to there, I can feel their politeness, and also the environment is very clean and peace. The challenge that I face when I'm flying is I need to work in a confined space and also need to use a lot of energy on my feet. And also when dealing with challenging passenger, I need to be more positive mind to deal with them. My advice for them is don't worry about what other people think about you. Personality begins where comparison leaves off. Be unique, be confident, and be proud of it.